Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I bought a couple things. Target had a sale on Rainbow High dolls, and there is a doll that I have been wanting, and I have been watching different websites for her to go on sale, and she went on sale, and I missed it. And so I started watching closer, and she went on sale, but not as much as before. Target had her cheaper than the first sale. So while I was there to get free shipping, we're about 30 minutes from Target with bridge construction between us and there. So it was well worth getting her and her to pay for the free shipping. And I didn't have a junior high, and I had planned on getting one anyway. And these are the two I really liked, and these are the two that were, they were less than $15. I was I think, what were they?
They were right
13
at 14 even.
14 something, yeah. And these are the two I wanted, and I want to get one out so I can sew for them. I'm hoping to find some people that want to do collabs for the junior high Rainbow High. This is the girl that I have been wanting since Darren and I went to the beach. She was my second choice. When I bought another one, I bought Belle. I have this, and now this. And I want this, and da-da. Anyway, I really like blue-haired dolls. I don't know why, but suddenly I am in love with them. So I was happy to find, happy to find these. And then I've been waiting on some things from AliExpress. I need to open carefully because I have cut stuff before. You know how I am. I'm just, oh, is that what this is? Odd. Okay, so this is all that's in here. And I have much coming. Anyway, I am happy to see it though. Aren't these adorable? Uh-oh. Oh, glad I have this on camera. There we go. There we go. Got my finger up under the hook. Isn't that cute? That is a little long to there. I might be contacting the dealer. But these are adorkable for not only the 18-inch dolls, but also Blythe dolls. I just love them. I've been making raincoats, and I happen to have some blue raincoat. Yeah, that's not right. Raincoat fabric, so I will be using it for that if I don't have to mail it back. If you have a junior high Rainbow High doll and you would like to do a sewing collab with me, please leave that in the comments, and while you're there, like and subscribe.